Sorry. But this is my sister Katie's birthday. Not birthday, French toast sticks. Hi everyone, MJ here. This is my sister Katie. She's on her way to state boards to be certified as a cosmetologist. I almost said cosmopolitan. Give me a break. As an alcoholic drink, folks. Just kidding. Let's open up my drink. Ready? Ooh, ow. My nail's stuck. Look at that. My nail is stuck. There we go. Got it. Oh. Okay. So I'm going to be doing her makeup for her cosmetology thing. That way she looks blam. And let's see. She's very, very light. Clean makeup sponge. Makeup stuff. Let's see. I should have had this all set out first, but I'm a slacker. All right. We're going to use the NYX Hydro Touch Primer. So, Katie, what made you want to get into cosmetology?
Besides makeup.
Besides makeup.
Probably before I worked with you. But I wanted people, not dogs.
I'm a dog groomer, honey. Dogs don't complain as much. Clearly already. What are you hoping to do with your cosmetology license?
I'm actually going back to school for special effects.
Special effects? Biscuit, okay, that can stay on the floor. I forgot to plate. Okay, going straight on the sponge. So what do you want to do with your special effects then?
Movies and TV.
And where are you hoping to go for your schooling for special effects?
Probably in California. Because I've already got a job lined up.
Nice. Where are you going to be?
I'll be working with Ultimate Face.
Nice. What do they do? Do they do stuff for like Halloween parties or?
No, they actually do interviews. They're the people that do Scarlett Johansson's makeup.
She doesn't really do a whole lot of effects stuff.
No, they do like regular makeup and then movie makeup.
So you want to be more in like the Freddy Krueger stuff?
Yeah.
Nightmare on Elm Street. Horror movies, crazy people. And this is why I normally put it on a plate, because I'm on like my 4th pump of foundation already. I'm glad I had this super light foundation though. If you notice, folks, my sister's quite a bit lighter than I am. Like, snowy. When did you graduate from cosmetology school?
November.
November. Good month. It's my birth month. It's also called the After Valentine's Day After Party. Because 9 months later, people are born in November. Oh yeah. We were a fun time on Valentine's Day. And yes, my mom has confirmed it. I was a Valentine's Day baby. Hooray for that. Because you always want to know about when your parents are making babies. So, Katie, when were you born?
March 1st.
March 1st. She just turned 20. Yeah, she can't drink yet. That's okay. Drinking is naughty. It's not good for you. So what I'm using on her is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. I just tried showing it to the microphone. That worked. It's number 405, and I think it's porcelain? Porcelain! Yeah. Porcelain. Like a little porcelain doll. Let's go on to concealer. Which one do I want for you? Son of a biscuit eating bulldog. We're using the NYX CW2. Katie doesn't have any under eyes. Her eyes aren't purple or big and baggy like mine. Probably because she doesn't have any kids yet. Go you!
Oh, just get my pet stolen to you.
Well, you didn't last night. Stop worrying. Katie spent the night at my house last night because I'm closer to where she would be than my mom is. I'm using the Flesh Muffin foundation stick to contour her a little bit. Because she has nice light, like fairest. The fairest of them all! Some. Might do it to me. This is why we practice on family members, so that way when we make mistakes like this, you can just be like, I love you. You have purple on your scalp still, love. Katie likes fun colors as much as her sister does. Not that you can tell that I have any fun colors right now.
And we both did the same thing with our hair.
Over fry. That, folks, is why you go to a cosmetologist, to have your bleaching done on your hair, lightening, whatever you want to call it, because you will fry your skin. Hair. Get a chemical burn too on your skin too, but you know. That's why I have such lovely flowing locks. I'm embarrassing my sister on purpose. It's okay. Don't worry. Your makeup will look fetch. That's so fetch. Bringing it back. You decide you wanted to do special effects makeup?
Probably 2 years ago.
And what made you decide that?
I was body painting myself for Halloween.
Is that when you stole my Marilyn Monroe dress?
Yes, it is.
That was more than 2 years ago.
Okay. Yeah, I did it 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Not your bad.
All right.
So it was more than 2 years ago. No,
More than 2 years.
2 years ago, I was a shadow hunter.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Except for Halloween?
Yeah.
Did not know. Go. Keep looking. Don't look down. Don't do it. Let's see. And then how long do you think your boards are going to take today?
4 hours?
Ooh. Did it recently? Yeah. So a week ago. Okay. I don't judge much.
No, I was in California.
Hey, when in Disneyland.
Yeah, I'm waiting for also to have the James Charles palette.
I don't know what you're talking about. They're never
They're
sold
never
out.
going.
I actually was able to find the the Jeffree Star Morphe brushes before I was able to find the James Charles palette. That's always great and fun. All right, we're gonna do this one.
I almost got the brushes.
I did get the brushes for a friend. She asked me to purchase them for her.
Didn't have the money.
Well, I have her money at the moment. All right, we're going to be using Rockstar. It's this lovely middle purple color. You don't need to see my mirror. All right, close your eyes. And Katie doesn't have much real estate here, so we're going to use what we can. Excuse me. So how are you hoping to do on your boards? I've never been to state boards, so what exactly is this?
You do nails, a cut, 3 different colors,
On
perm,
what? 3 different colors on one person, or?
on one mannequin.
Oh, okay.
You wash it out, do a perm, take the perm out, do a haircut, dry it, and then do 3 barrel cuts.
That poor mannequin. Woo! That's a lot of work to get done in one day.
And you have to do the ugly cut,
What cut?
a 90-degree haircut.
I don't even know what that is.
You have to give your mannequin head a mullet.
Oh, that's not
Because if you can do that, you can do any of them.
good. Is a mullet really hard?
Well, you have to literally take the hair 90 degrees from where it lives all around the head.
So kind of like flip it up and flip hair perpendicular of the head.
Pull it out, and then you have to also make sure it's all blended. And they only give you 45 minutes to make sure it's all done.
Do you have to wash the hair also while doing that? Or is it just 45 minutes for the cut
Just
portion?
45 minutes for the cut.
Oh, well, that's granted, I work on dogs. So 45 minutes on a cut can sometimes be a long time. My husband saw this and got it for me at Christmas time. He said that it fit me perfectly. Promise, I'm not a troublemaker. Do you see this side eye she's giving me? Oh my gosh. I am not a troublemaker. That would be you, dear. I got yelled at way less than you did. I just got concealer on my pants. That's all right. I'm not really going anywhere today. I'm trying to decide if I want to do black on your eyeliner or the hot pink on top.
Oh, son of a biscuit eating. No!
Broke it. Broke. that's unfortunate. Oh, unfortunate soul! I don't want to be a singer. Guess we're doing a man-eater. Tartist. Is it tartist or tart? It is tart. Well, their mascara is Tartist. What is your favorite part of special effects makeup?
Probably creating all the things I'm terrified of.
She's terrified of these things, folks. Don't sneeze on my hand. Just in case you were thinking. Don't lick my hand either. Sisters, folks. Sisters. My lovely children. Rude. It's just the boogeyman under the bed. It's all right. Let me see. Why do your eyes? Hey, humans! Maybe I'll be able to edit that out. Look up. So I realize now that my camera stopped recording because it stops recording after 29 minutes. I have no idea where the end of the 29 minutes is. So I'm very sorry. Sister Katie. No, I'm not trying to steal after James Charles. She really is my sister. So this is the look I've left her with for her board stuff that she's going to go do so she can become a licensed cosmetologist. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. Say hi to me. Like this video if you like my sister's makeup. Don't like. Wish my sister luck. Say good luck on the video. Hit the like button if you've hit good luck. And a whole bunch of other good lucks and whatnot. So talk to you later. Bye.